Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to transfer from Webull over to your bank. This is a very simple and straightforward process, so we're going to walk you through the most effective and efficient way to make this transfer. Now, as you can see, we're on the home screen of my Webull account right now, and the first thing you're going to have to do is sell all of your stocks and positions. Now, keep in mind this could trigger some tax consequences if you're selling for a gain or a loss, but if you want to move your money from Webull over to your bank, you're going to have to sell all of your positions first. Once that's done, what you're going to do is come over here to transfers. You're going to press withdraw, and then you can see how much cash you have available to withdraw in your Webull account. So you can see I only have a few cents, but here's the process to withdraw that money. We're going to press withdraw. We're going to enter the amount that we want to withdraw. So in this case, 8 cents is what we have. We'll press transfer to my bank. You can see our bank account is already linked here. We'll press confirm. And now they're going to send us a quick code to our phone to confirm that we actually want to make this transfer. Once we enter that code, we'll be taken to this confirmation page here where we can see that our withdrawal is in process. It's just going to have to clear and then it will settle in our bank account. And that's the entire process. That is exactly how to transfer from Webull to your bank. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're thinking about moving to a different investing app, we've got plenty of other videos reviewing different apps here on our channel and our website, investingsimple.com. So be sure to check those out and I'll see you over there.